Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Eric. If you're new, please subscribe. I've been at this for several years now on YouTube, and I would greatly appreciate it if you guys would give me a subscribe. Now, for today's video, I want to give you guys a few updates on this Evo 10 right here. I got everything sanded after I basically used a dry coat on it and to get everything flat. And so I went ahead and did the front bumper and primer, the side skirts, and then also the fenders as well. So now we got to get to doing these quarter panels and also the rear bumper and primer. But before we get into that, this has weighed pretty heavy on me. I actually sold the Carolina Blue Evo X. You guys may be wondering why I sold that car. I've had that thing for 15 years, I think, and for most of its life, it's just sat in the garage. I take it out every once in a while. I've raced it a few times. There's videos on the channel. It's won numerous awards at car shows and been featured in all sorts of magazines. And I feel like I built the car to be a time attack vehicle, but something you don't get told or maybe you don't realize until you do it is the amount of money it takes to actually run those kind of events and get your car to the event is very expensive, and also time consuming as well. And I just don't have the time or the money to be able to do that kind of stuff anymore. And I really do need to finish this car. We're going on 2 years of building it, and I definitely want to get this thing going. The guy that I sold it to, he was very passionate about Evo 10s, so I was happy to be able to sell it to him. He has, I think, now he's got 4 Evo 10s. A couple of them are track spec that he has, but he kind of told me a few of his plans for the car. And yeah, I'm curious to see what he ends up doing with it. I want to say thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel and being a part of the journey for that blue car. I mean, I met so many great people along the way, and that's what it's about, man. The car community is all the people you meet, all the friends you meet along the way, and having fun, enjoying a passion for cars. So I really do appreciate it, guys. And I hope you guys stick with me to see what the future of the channel holds. But we definitely need to get this thing finished. So let's get into prepping. So I've already masked off the windows on the front here, and then also got the wheels covered up so we don't get any overspray on that stuff. We need to continue by getting this rear window here all masked up. So once again, we don't want to get overspray on the glass. That'll be a pain in the butt to try and get that stuff off. So we got to do that first before we can get to spraying this quarter panel. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. So going through old photos of Carolina Blue Evo X, I know when we did the body kit on that car, I ended up taking a lot of pictures of when they were painting it. And I saw that Tom from, at that time, Spring Mountain Auto Body masked off the rear window and basically, laying down tape. And then he did paper across the bottom, and then for whatever reason, I don't know for sure, but he used like a visqueen or a plastic across the top portion of it. So I don't know, probably do it the same way. It worked for him, so why not? I think it'll work for me. Just end up kind of getting it right here and having it fold over under the glass, so that way no overspray gets up in this, and we get it covered. Like I said, it'd be a pain in the butt to try and get that stuff off. But yeah, you just lay down a piece of tape around the perimeter. That way it gives something for the paper or the plastic to stick to, and then you can use a razor blade to kind of cut the shape of it out, and then you'll tape on top of it as well. Just measured out basically the length of the windshield and gave myself a little extra on this, so yeah, we can always trim it up, not a big deal. But yeah, you just cut yourself off a piece. Oops, try not to rip it like that. Okay, I totally destroyed that. My bad. There we go. Sorry if I don't seem too enthusiastic about this. Yeah, it's really why I haven't really documented much of the process of sanding and painting. Sorry for you guys out there that do this for a living, but I find it kind of boring, to be honest. But you know, it's a good learning experience, and it's got to get done. So no cutting corners on that. Of course, could have somebody else do it, pay somebody else to do it, but yeah, I don't know. Built the motor on the car, rebuilt the transmission, so why not paint the car? So that is all done, and we don't have to worry about getting overspray on the back windshield, which is good. So we're gonna get this quarter panel cleaned up, and we'll get the spraying. So I got the quarter panel all in primer and it turned out fantastic. So next thing we gotta do is wet sand this, but first I still need to do the other side and also the rear bumper, but I think I'm gonna save that for another video. And sorry if this was a short video, but nowadays I gotta take advantage of the time that I have. So yep. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you enjoyed it, make sure you smash that like button and be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Alright, till next time guys.